How to temporarily turn off email on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. On this page, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Scroll down the list and tap on Mail. From here, you can add or remove accounts, manage Siri and search, and customize how your mail appears. Then, go to Mail Accounts. You can view all your mail accounts over here. Tap on the account you want to edit. For example, Gmail. Here, turn off the mail switch as shown to remove it. The switch moves to off and the account stops fetching new emails. Existing messages remain in the Mail app but no new mail will arrive. You can also remove the other tools like Contacts, Notes, and Calendars if you want. Following these steps, you can temporarily turn off email on iPhone.